Hey guys, what's up? My girl Patriana here with Pat Reviews, and on today's video, I just want to share with you guys my experience using the Ulike Air 10 IPL hair removal device. First of all, I don't really have that much hair, so I guess this works out better for me because I probably shave my underarm like once a week, even my leg. Slowly reduce the amount of hair that is growing on your particular areas, and the more that you do this, the more that the result will be permanent. Check out my experience here. So first of all, always read the damn instruction. It's here, and make sure that your skin is acceptable within the Fitzpatrick scale. So I have a medium skin, so everything's plugged in, and then turn on the power. So there's the fan, but it's only for like cooling. And then the light, guys, which I'm wearing goggles right now, it's just automatically gonna determine the type of light, so you don't have to worry about the setting and stuff. All right, here we go. That does not hurt, burn, hot, or anything at all. You don't want to go to the same area twice, so it's only gonna flash if there's hair there. It's not advisable that you use it on your face. It's recommended to you shave prior to using this product so it can go deeper into the root of the skin. Full body hair removal in like 10 minutes or so. So anyway, guys, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.